I'm Melvin Tumakin from Garong Pinoy Channel. I'm here to teach you how to capture images on screen displays, videos, and other downloadable images in any site. For whatever reason for such download, we are not promoting here piracy. This is just for educational purposes. It is very easy to do it. Just go to the specific page that you want to capture. For example, we're going to capture videos on YouTube. Just go to YouTube and then select the specific videos that you want to capture the video clip. Here, and then here, you're going to the start menu, then click it on the search bar, type snipping, and then select snipping tools. And then after selecting the snipping tools, just wait for a while until it pop up here. Okay, then you're going to drag the plus button to cover the entire picture. And then here you're going to see, and you're going to see it here. Type the file name. You're going to see, save. And then next clip, it's here. We're going to snip it again by dragging the plus sign arrow, the cross sign arrow, and then save it here. Okay, so that's the way how to capture video clip in YouTube or in any site. And now let's go to the Google, search for undownloadable images that you want to capture. You have to type here class prayer, and then let's find the images. Okay, so okay, here it is. And let's select the opening prayer. Okay, so now let's click the snipping tool, then we drag it. Okay, so then save in the computer, and then we'll write file name, and then it's okay. So it's done. So that's it. It's very easy. Okay, let's find out if it is already saved to the computer. Let's take a look. Okay, here is this. Let's find the folder here. Okay, so here they are. They are all here, so we're successful. Okay, that's all. So if you find our video useful, Just leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then see you next time. Thank you.